No matter where I go, I'm still right there. No matter where I go, I'm still right here. So I trip out, but I'm still in the mirror. So I trip out, but I'm still in the mirror. So hard Sargon, what creative pathway today can we embark upon? I kill beats better. They wanna hate me, but my music is their guilty pleasure. So sue me, or diss me, but you lose trying to get me. Shave off your skin like grated mozzarella. I'm hearing lots of yells. Transdimensional reptilian funk, truncate you, your limbs in the trunk. No matter what I go, the place is still the same, unless you get caught on the midnight beat train. So cheers to your health. I wanna be in the crowd at my show, watching myself. So hard Sargon, each day is a new blank canvas to draw some art on.
Bodies in the trunk, smelling like some skunk, feeling kinda drunk.
This shit, misfit, misunderstood. This spit, liquid when he lift quick. Overhood, I've been sober, look, no hospital visits. Growing short on patients, though, like hostile midgets. No pickup lines, still got the digits. Think she ate the bone dough. Kentucky fried chicken, running high, spitting the dumbest rhymes living. Fuck your life, shitting on you guys. Memorized lines, it's not freestyle. G local rappers, hard disgrace to Long Island MCs. I'm all deep topping out while you can't get your head in. Pissing on your nuts and busting less than seconds. You'll pay to play from legends. I rock without tickets, living in a group home, on out house visits. Heard the crowd roar, fuck your church mouse crickets. Quiet as kept while I'm puffing loud bitches. Puffing loud bitches.